I've been using this bidet now for 3 years, and I'm really hooked. I actually buy some for friends as a gift, believe it or not. And this is just great. This one is a cold water, so it's really easy to attach to your existing pipes here. You just have to bypass, instead of this going directly onto your tank, now you can bypass with this simple little L bracket here, and you just will screw it on with this end here, and then this end here screws onto this piece, which fits really easily under your toilet seat. The LUXE Bidet has many models. This one is the Neo 185, so it has the front and back nozzles. So this one will come down for the front, and this one will come down for the back. And I here will just choose to put it on a cleaning mode. It just rushes the water down, and then this is a high pressure. Even if you don't have a high pressure in your house, it's going to be very high pressure. Now this will be for the front. As you can tell, that's a lot of pressure, so the front is on this side. And then if I do the back, it's so these nozzles come down and spray. So as you can tell, this has been great. Tested over time, 3 years, still looking great. To clean it, I just use a little used toothbrush for cleaning, and just will scrape around here to keep everything clean. Very easy to keep clean, works wonderful, simple, but highly recommend it.